So with this first coat of black drying, let me just show you what we need to do next. These are the glue spots that surface when you do put the first coat of stain on. Could use just water and that will sometimes highlight them. But you can see where there might be some blemishes. But here and usually around the bindings is where you'll find them. There's one. Clearly we looked at that already. Here's some over here. And as I said in a previous video, I like to deal with these using a scraper. And I'll show you that in a minute. It just is a much more focused way to get through the glue without cutting through the veneer. So I'll do that. And just so you know, if you start this, there's a little bit of a tedious process because you put the first coat on, you find the glue spots, you go through and take care of them. You put another coat of the black on, wipe it off, let it dry. So you're talking about a couple of days to be able to get this first coat of black on and get all of the glue spots out of it. So just make sure you kind of budget that in your time and that you're not in too big a hurry. Alright, so trying to figure out if this is the right color for this one. I wanted to get it out here into bright sun And a lot of times we'll bring out different colors. And it looks pretty good. There's a little something. I haven't quite figured out what I want to do with it yet. Maybe a little darker. It's just kind of a, I guess, a candy apple red at this point. The greens turned out nice. I was looking for cherry red. This is sort of candy apple red, just a little brighter red than a cherry red, darker. Let's see the neck here. There's the neck. So there's the back. Yeah. So maybe a little darker. Maybe like a either black or maybe even a dark brown to bring that out.